Hi viewers, welcome to my art channel. I hope you guys in a good condition in this such unfriendly situation lately, and I hope you guys not bored with my videos. In this video I'm trying to draw K-pop artist from EXO boy band called SUHO. In the first place, I was searching so many photos of him because I don't into K-pop fan to be honest, but I like how they looks. So I'm trying to draw it using color pencil, and I think I'm gonna like to draw this kind of portrait for others of my videos. Oh, by the way, English is not my native language, so there's must be so many wrong grammar in my speech, but I'm keep trying my best. If you like these videos, please click the like button, share to your friends, and I really appreciate if you don't mind to subscribe to my channel, because that will help me a lot to grow my channel. If you have anything to say, just feel free to leave a comment down below. So please enjoy the video. Thank you.
Da 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 da.